Welcome back to English Flowcast, a place where English feels slow, soft, and peaceful. Today's episode is called Under the Old Tree. It's evening. Two friends, Ava and Ethan, meet under an old tree in a quiet park. They talk slowly, softly, about time, memories, dreams, and hope. Let's listen and let your English flow gently, word by word. Hey, Ethan, you're here already?
Hi, Ava. Yeah, I've been sitting here for a while. This tree gives such nice shade.
It really does. I love how peaceful it feels here. The world seems to slow down under this tree.
Yes. It's like the tree has seen everything. Seasons change, people grow, and still, it stands calm.
That's beautiful. You sound poetic today.
Maybe this place brings it out of me. It's hard not to think deeply here.
I get that. When I was younger, I used to come here whenever I felt lost, just to sit and listen to the wind.
Did it help?
Yes, it reminded me that nothing stays forever. Not sadness, not happiness. Everything changes.
Like the leaves. They fall, then come back again.
Exactly. Life moves in circles.
You know, sometimes I feel like time moves too fast. One day it's Monday, and suddenly it's the weekend again.
Ah, yes. I feel that too. We grow older, but we forget to actually live each day.
True. It's like we're always waiting for the right time, for the perfect moment.
And sometimes that moment never comes.
Exactly. I've started to think maybe now is the perfect time, even if it's not perfect.
Exactly. I've started to think maybe now is the perfect time, even if it's not perfect.
Yes, the tree doesn't rush, it just is.
I wish I could be like that sometimes.
You can. You already are a little. You listen, you reflect. That's rare in this busy world.
Thank you, Ethan. That means a lot.
Ava, can I ask something? If you could live any kind of life, what kind would you choose?
Hmm. I think I'd choose a simple one. A small house near nature, a garden full of flowers, and people I love nearby.
That sounds perfect. Not rich in money, but rich in peace.
Exactly. I think happiness is in less, not more.
I agree. We spend so much time collecting things, but forget to collect moments.
Yes, moments don't break, don't get old, and don't go out of fashion.
You should write that down.
Maybe I will. And what about you? What kind of life do you dream of?
Honestly, a quiet one too, where I can wake up without rush, read in the morning light, and end my day with calm.
That's beautiful. Maybe peace is the new success.
I like that. Peace is the new success.
I brought some tea. Would you like some?
Oh, thank you. You always bring the best tea. What kind is it today?
Jasmine. It smells like soft mornings.
Mm.
It really does. Warm, calm, and gentle. Just like this evening.
Tea makes everything better, doesn't it?
Yes, it's not just a drink. It's a pause.
I like that. A cup of tea is a reminder to slow down.
Do you remember that rainy evening last year? We sat right here, sharing tea, talking about our childhoods.
Of course I do. The rain was heavy, but somehow it felt safe. Like the world was washing itself clean.
Yes. And you told me about your first dream? To become a teacher.
Yes, I wanted to help others learn. Not just facts, but kindness.
You're doing that, Even in small ways.
Thanks. Sometimes I forget that small things matter too.
They always do. Big changes start from small hearts.
Ethan, do you ever lose hope?
Sometimes. But then I look at nature, how it heals, how it grows, and I find hope again.
That's beautiful. I think hope is like light. Even if it's small, it can brighten a dark place.
Exactly. Even a tiny candle can guide someone lost in the dark.
Yes, I think people forget that their smile, their kind word, their small help can be someone else's light.
That's true. You never know how far one kind moment can travel.
I love that thought. Kindness travels farther than we see.
Yes. And it always finds its way back.
Look, the sun is setting. The light is so soft now.
Yes. Everything looks golden. The world feels calm again.
I love sunsets. They remind me that endings can be beautiful too.
That's such a lovely thought. Yes. Endings don't mean sadness. They mean peace.
And every sunset is a promise that tomorrow will come.
You always find hope in everything. Ava,
Maybe that's the only way to live, to find a little light, even when it's dark.
you're right. Talking to you always feels like therapy.
Maybe we're both each other's therapy.
Look up. The stars are starting to appear.
Wow, they look so peaceful tonight.
I love how stars shine quietly. They don't compete. They just shine in their own way.
That's a lesson for all of us, isn't it? We don't need to be the brightest, just real.
Yes, shine quietly. Be kind, be honest. That's enough.
You know, this has been such a beautiful evening. No rush, no noise, just calm words under an old tree.
I agree. We should do this more often.
We should. It's good to talk slowly and listen deeply.
That's true. That's how hearts understand each other.
Good night, Ethan.
Good night, Ava. Thank you for this piece.
Thank you for listening.
That was Under the Old Tree, a soft conversation between two friends about time, peace, hope, and kindness. Remember, you don't need big words to speak English beautifully. You only need a calm heart and honest feelings. Speak slowly, listen gently, and keep your words warm. Until next time on English Flowcast.